you got one of these controllers, you definitely need this. If you watch the video, it'll take you to a link to my website where you can download these files to 3D print them. Allows you to clip your lanyard on, keep your tablet in place, and it also works with the Tripltek. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Wanted to show you a neat little solution I came up with. As you know, DJI has gone to these new controllers, and it started with the Mavic Air 2. This is continued with the Mini 2, the Air 2S, and now the Mini SE that's coming out. But it lacks several things, and one is location for a lanyard or a harness. The other is the ability to use a tablet. And there's some solutions that are out there, but they want like $100. So there's a 3D printed file that Tripltek sells for $24.95 right here, and or $4.99 for the download. And this is the file that I paid for. And as you can see, it doesn't lock in real well. It does work, and when you put the Tripltek tablet in, there's nothing to hold the base down. So just a little bit of pressure and it wants to walk up, and it won't hold it in. It falls right out. One of the things that I did with this thing is I took this design and got rid of it. This is one that I built from scratch. It looks similar, but it is different. The dimensions are different, and how it locks on is a little bit different. It fits better. As you can see, you can hear it. It locks in and clips in. And when you put the Tripltek in, the angle holds it in a little bit better, but you can see it still walks out. So there are some adapters online that you can download and print out, like this thing here. And this pops in, allows you to use a lanyard. Unfortunately, it doesn't pop in real well. So I decided to incorporate a two-part design. I took this piece here, that'll lock on. My adapter for the lanyard, it's got a little tab on it, and it's been raised up. So as you can hear, when it clips in, it locks in, it does not come out. You add the Tripltek in like this, and you have a turnkey solution. This turnkey solution allows you to run the Tripltek, a lanyard for a harness, and it doesn't fall out. So this locks in so well that you have to use a small tool to actually pop it out, which is real simple. So that's not a big deal at all. I'm going to provide the 3D prints for free on my website, and for those that don't have a 3D printer, I'll be selling these for material cost plus shipping. I also have a solution for the tablet to use a classic Inspire type series. The fun thing with this is it also works with the Mav mount. So let me show you this. We have a classic Inspire 2, Inspire 1, Phantom, doesn't really matter. Either one of those series, as you can see here. And the adapters I've got clip on. And this is the last prototype. The new ones are a little bit thinner than these and smaller, and they work a little bit better. I've got some printing right now. So as you can see, this goes on like this, and then what you do is you open up your piece, you drop the tablet in, and these lock on. So now the tablet's held in, it can't come out sideways, it can't fall out of the front. So it's perfect to use. In addition, the Mav mount series, if you have a Mav mount adapter like this, which is a Mav mount kind of clone type deal, it will lock in also. Push it in, now the tablet can't fall out. So neat little system. I'm going to be providing these free of charge, like I said, on my website. You'll be able to download them. So in addition, this newer adapter here, as it goes on, will also work with an iPad mini. This iPad mini basically comes on. It'll semi-unclip as you push that back, but it's fine. The angle in there takes up the slack adjustment, and you can see the angle here provides a flat portion. You can see it's kind of pulled out, but it won't go anywhere. And this is not coming out at all. So if you use a standard iPad mini or type adapter, this will work also. These will be available at aerialedgevirginia.com or aerialedgeva.com. Click the shop link at the top If checking out on the downloads, it'll ask you for your name, your phone number, and an email address. The email address is for the download link. The phone number I do not care about. I'm not calling anyone, so use a fake number if you like. They require it for the field on the website. The download link is good for 30 days, but it is free to check out, so you can download later if you like. This is licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution, non-commercial. So you're free to use the design and modify it. Basically, as long as you're not reselling it for profit, you're good to go. So I have them available for purchase of cost plus shipping for those without a 3D printer. I also have a kit set up to combine shipping. If you want more quantities, email me and I'll set up to combine shipping. Or I can send you a PayPal invoice, and that's basically just for the cost. We're going to be doing a giveaway, so if you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, comment below what kind of drone videos you want me to make, what kind of content would help you, recreational or commercial. I'll pick 3 random winners in a week. I'm going to send out the Tripltek kit for free. That includes the shipping. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified when new content comes out. I hope everyone has a bright week and safe flying. Till next time, take care.